up, y'all? Welcome back to the Boys Family Dinner. We like to eat on a budget.
Today we are going to be making Copycat Chick-Fil-A.
So we have our chicken breast that's been brining in pickle juice, which is kind of a secret. And so what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna dab them dry, so that it's kind of a tip to help the coating and the breading stay on a little bit better. So we're gonna dab that dry, and we're gonna start breading it. So we have our flour and cornstarch mixture. And for our seasoning of it today, we use Tony's, of course, garlic powder, paprika, and then salt and pepper. So we're gonna go ahead and just bread the chicken breasts. As we're breading the chicken breasts, reminder, we're gonna actually put this recipe, at least how we do it, down in the description below.
What are you making? Are you gonna make the sauce? Are you gonna make the Chick-fil-A sauce, little guy?
So we actually forgot we don't have that much oil, and so we're actually gonna do a even more shallow fry than we normally do. We normally do it in a cast iron skillet, but we're gonna make do with what we have.
So we are going to make the secret Chick-fil-A sauce. So we are going to do equal parts of both barbecue sauce, oh good stirring, and honey mustard. If you don't have honey mustard, you can just use regular mustard and a little bit of honey. Whoa! And then to that, we are going to add about twice as much mayo. Can I see that, please? Going to add about twice as much mayo as you did barbecue sauce and honey mustard.
Fussy, buddy. Oh, good nuts. Good mixing. Yep, stir it up, buddy. Oh, or eat it. Don't. Okay.
Okay. And then to that, we are going to add a little bit of lemon juice. About a tablespoon. Yuck. Okay, let's mix it up. Let's mix it up instead of eating it, okay? Mix, 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 mix.
All right, now that the oil's ready, we're gonna go ahead and drop the chickens. We're gonna always do it away from you for your safety. Here you go. We're gonna give it about a couple minutes on each side until it's golden brown. All right, the chicken's been in for a few minutes. As you go in to feel the bottom, it feels crispy, so we're gonna flip them. All right, look at the color on that bad boy. So again, it's better if you just leave them be and don't touch them for the next couple minutes.
All right, so our chicken just got done. So we are going to add our Chick-fil-A sauce. If you're like me, you think that's the best part of the sandwich, so you'll want to add a lot. And then it wouldn't be Chick-fil-A without the pickles as well. Add a few pickles, and there you have it. There's our homemade Chick-fil-A.
All right, y'all, thanks for watching.
Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or any suggestions of things we should make.
Say bye-bye.